A convicted murderer wants another chance. 2 weeks after a jury found Michael Astorga guilty of gunning down a Bernalillo County Sheriff's deputy, the killer is asking a district court judge to throw out that guilty verdict or give him a new trial. News 13's Maria Medina has the story.
This fall, another jury is expected to decide whether Michael Astorga deserves the death penalty for murdering Deputy James McGrain Jr. But Astorga's attorney wants to make sure they don't even get to that point. In a 9-page motion for a new trial filed earlier this week, Michael Astorga's attorney Gary Mitchell lists nearly a dozen reasons why his client should get another chance.
What you're seeing here is a defense attorney doing what a defense attorney does.
But District Attorney Carrie Brandenburg believes it's unlikely a judge would grant Astorga a second trial. In his motion, Mitchell claims because of the massive publicity of the case, the majority of the public felt Astorga was guilty of murdering Deputy McGrain 4 years ago. Mitchell says most of the 12 jurors picked for the Astorga trial knew about the murder and that at least one juror felt animosity toward Astorga and his family, who sat behind him throughout the trial.
I can tell you this, he had a fair trial.
But Mitchell believes jurors wouldn't have reached their verdict if they'd believed he was innocent until proven guilty, because the only evidence connecting Astorga to the murder was that it was his license plate Deputy McGrain called to dispatch just before he was killed.
We never thought in Albuquerque that we were going to get a fair trial. I always had concerns, and I told the jury this, that I would have to prove him innocent in order to get an acquittal.
And again, both the DA and Mitchell say it's rare for a judge to grant new trials, but Mitchell says he's confident his client will be given another chance. In Albuquerque, Maria Medina, KRQE News 13.
Astorga is expected to be sentenced this fall. He could be sentenced to death. Mitchell said he'll fight that as well.